My people, welcome home. This is the ultimate logical reasoning class for your WAEC, NECO, and JAM exams. Look, if you're writing maths, this one topic, this single topic, is about to change your entire score. Why am I so sure? Because just by getting this topic right, you're looking at a cool 15 to 25 marks. Yeah, you heard me correctly. That's not a joke. My people, these are not just marks. This is what we call free marks. It's a golden opportunity just sitting there waiting for you to grab it. So, today we're going to settle this matter once and for all. Okay, let's get straight into it. To beat any logical reasoning question they can possibly dream up, you only need to know 4 simple rules. Think of this as your master key. Okay, pay close attention. Rule number 1, P implies Q, which just means if P happens, then Q must happen. Now listen, this statement is almost always true. The only time it's a lie is when a true thing leads to a false thing. Got it? Good. Number 2, the opposite of all are is always at least one is not. This is a big one. 3, the AND rule. For an AND statement to be true, both sides must be true. Simple. For an OR statement to be false, both sides must be false. And finally, number 4, the secret weapon. P implies Q is the exact same thing as saying not P or Q. Trust me, this trick will save you so much time. Alright, now let's talk about a concept that is a total game changer, especially if you're writing JAM. It's called the contrapositive. I know, big name, but it's super simple. You just flip the if-then statement and make both parts negative. So, if P, then Q becomes if not Q, then not P. Basically, if the result didn't happen, then the cause couldn't have happened. You have to lock this one down because JAM loves it. Okay, theory time is over. The best way to learn is to actually do the thing, right? So let's jam into some real past questions and start bagging these marks. Here we go. First up, WAEC 2022. The question is, the contrapositive of if it rains, then I go to school. See what I just tell you. They are testing that exact contrapositive rule we just covered. So let's break it down. How do we apply our rule here? Don't worry about the English. Just focus on the formula. The formula is everything. Okay, watch this. Step 1. Identify your P and Q. P is it rains. Q is I go to school. Now what's the rule? It's not Q to not P. So, we take the second part, Q, we negate it, and that becomes our new first part. If I do not go to school, then we take the original first part, P, negate that, and it becomes our new second part. Then, it does not rain. And that's it. Simple and straight. Okay, next up, a classic from JAM 2022. It asks for the negation of all politicians are honest. This is a direct test of our second rule. Let's see it in action. And this is where that rule becomes so powerful. Remember, to prove that an all statement is wrong, you don't need to show that none of them are honest. No. All you need is one exception, just one. So the only correct negation of all politicians are honest has to be at least one politician is not honest. The answer just jumps out at you. Alright, let's switch gears to NECO from 2023. This one has 2 parts. Some doctors are rich, and all rich people are happy. Then it asks what we can conclude. Now this one might look a little tricky, with the some and all mixed together. It's easy to get confused. So what's the best way to see the connection without getting your head twisted? The secret? A Venn diagram. Come on, let's draw this out. First, draw a big circle for happy people. Now the second statement says all rich people are happy, right? So we draw the rich people circle completely inside the happy circle. Then, some doctors are rich. So we draw a doctor's circle that overlaps with the rich circle. Now just look at it. That overlapping part shows you doctors who are rich. And because that whole section is inside the happy circle, the conclusion is obvious. Some doctors are happy. The diagram doesn't lie. Okay, we've solved questions from WAEC, JAM, and NECO. Now let's put it all together. Let's start thinking like the people who actually set these exams. So let's summarize the game plan. For JAM, What did we see? The contrapositive is their #1 go-to trick. You should always be looking for it. And for NECO, the moment you see some or all, what do? You immediately start drawing a Venn diagram. It makes the answer so clear. All right, here is your final checklist for exam day. Listen up. #1, JAMB loves the contrapositive. Check for it first. True. If they give you truth values like T and F, just plug them in straight away. Don't think too much. 3. You can use the contrapositive on all statements too. Just rewrite it as an if-then statement. 4. Venn diagrams for any some or all questions, especially in NECO. And 5. Never ever forget this. The only way an implication, P implies Q, is false is when true implies false. That's it. Look, we've gone through the rules, we've seen the question types, we know the exam tricks. There is nothing left. They cannot surprise you. Seriously, my people, una too much. You have everything you need. This one na free marks, so don't leave any of them behind. You've got the rules, you've got the tricks. As far as you are concerned, for your exam, logical reasoning is finished. You are ready to face anything they bring. So, let me ask you, are you ready to win? Are you ready to go and collect those marks? If you are, I want you to go to the comments right now and type, "I won win." Go on, claim that victory. Now go get it. That's it for today. Great job following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy-to-understand lessons. And hey, want to practice more questions and get step-by-step solutions? Visit examkp.com right now and keep learning smarter.